when you say position work, and I think I remember you saying this before, did they travel up as far as Donegal as well and met John Doherty, another person who had great position work on the fiddle as well? It was,
they did, yeah. My father spent a lot of time with Johnny Doherty in Donegal, I suppose around the 50s maybe. You know, he told me we met him up there in Playground. He said he was a super player and a lovely man. But they could do things on the fiddle. They were playing in the third and fourth up along the bridge, the neck of the fiddle, no problem at all. But they were doing it every day of the week. You know? They were doing it for hours on the street. And, like, I suppose they put the time into it.
Yeah.
They didn't think anything of it, really.
Yeah.
You know.
And how would they have learned, or what was it like from father to son, or what was the, you know, was there formal classes, or was it just watch and learn? What was the learning process, you think?
They would never have got a music lesson, and any of them wouldn't have done a class in their lives. What they used to do, I know what they used to do, used to listen to gramophone records. I remember that, you know, of Fritz Kreisler and things like that. And they learned it all by ear. And I tell you this, they played it note for note.
Yeah.
I remember my uncle playing, my father actually playing a tune by Fritz Kreisler, Jean Rosemarie.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
Same as someone had gone to classical music all their lives.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
They were gifted people.
Yeah.
And then of course they would play that, their son would learn that, and that's the way it kind of fell down to one to the other.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But my three uncles then became really popular in the country. Liam, they were known as the Blind Dunne brothers. And they played at everything. Like, they played at Munster finals, at Flacchio's and at fairs, and they became there's a story about Johnny Doran. When Johnny Doran came to Limerick, they were talking about it a month before he came. And they were talking about it a month after he left.
Yeah.
This was a big thing. People don't realise how big this was.
Yeah.
There was no entertainment, there was no televisions, there was no nothing. And to get somebody like Doran playing in the street or playing at a house concert in Limerick at the time, it was huge.
Yeah.
I mean, it was massive. And the same used to be of the Dunnes. Oh, the Dunnes are going to be playing in they're going to be in Ennis, so they'll be down there.
Yeah.
And people would flock to see them.
Yeah.
You know, and that's how they lived, and that's how they made their living.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ní bhain éireann a tan ceol fud a dún chláir. Agus fiú bhain, bhí me se teagist na háireann is deacre an áran sin. Bhí me se teagist sacú sin da ghaoine hán Seattle. Bhí me se January le daoine sa rank agus an álabain agus HB. So tá rachar tín tá a cheol seo, a cheol gaelach na omlainne agus tá na háireann mar glúchod da sin. Ní heagla an ceol orlaise a runch on ceol béil agus an na háireann tá se legaléir is tí an sa tradition war bhain.
Come on, or what an a ceoldain?
Ceol am áireann. Ceol am a couple of verses that can eile tá inta neamhcháitianta. Seo áireanns míndar na slua cantar idir anagras sláthaniúr agus ní rós ag an córsan na gurú an táireann sin ag an córsan na heile. Dúirt bhean a cheol a táireann seo dúirt si go bhfuair sí an táireann seo na maithar mór agus dúirt an maithar mór léithe mar chebhgann tú ar áireann a bé cebhníir seo. But níor bhuair me sin táireann seo éite béile a híos a dilan cholaí lelis Ketty Shane. Dólam Ketty Shane a táireann seo de lelis is tehann nach luas le bhhain bhí si do go deata heile an sa Rusty Mackerel hísan sin agus seo legan sogaine dá bhín fond difriúr.
Okay.
Ceol a couple of verses sin le tan táireann mór fáidig teis go té. Níl tom glas ciliú na lúbín Harchiar fáhailen tábar na go hairinn an liú. Na hiúil má faoi charsa huairis grún searc moich leh. Dúil go bhhain malú agus harí sí mé. Mahia na mahasu nial maslan Stiam molabis massa martam Ciardes na crinne agus famia der mallau Gedorin de harkrun in fog away Ta come kiskele na klövran yin Tan rosan lekan agus is roya sabel Tanis farna shinne kiuliachtis mein Machram awal mas machalin
Great, Michael.
Just a couple of verses.
Anytime, Michael.
Gur maiga tinka chida.